Hey traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll show you how to open and close a trade on DX Trade. First, let's look at how to open a trade. There are multiple ways to open trades on DX Trade. First, we'll choose the default layout from the top corner. Now, let's get started. The first method is through the default watch list. Navigate to the left side of the platform where you'll see all available cryptocurrencies. You can right-click on a particular cryptocurrency and then click on Instrument Info to see details like swap charges, trading hours, etc. To place a trade, simply click the Buy or Sell button next to the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. An order window will pop up. Here, you can set your lot size by using the plus or minus icons or simply entering the lot size you want to trade. You can also select your order type, view the current price, and check the margin impact. To add a stop loss and take profit, click on Protection Orders. Once everything is set, click Send Order. You'll see a notification at the top right corner confirming that your order has been filled. The second method is directly from the charts. Simply search for the cryptocurrency for which you want to open the chart. Click the Buy or Sell button at the top of the chart window. The order window will appear, where you can set parameters like lot size, stop loss, and take profit. Click Send Order to place your trade. That's it, the order has been placed. The third method is from the default watch list on the right-hand side. Adjust the lot size, then click the Buy or Sell button and the same window will pop up. Adjust your parameters and click Send Order. Your trade is placed. Now let's discuss how to close a trade. Go to the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the trade you want to close. Then click the cross button next to the trade. A window will pop up showing trade details like position ID, opening time, profit and loss, and more. Click Close Position, and you'll get a notification in the top left corner confirming that the trade is closed. Alternatively, you can right-click on the trade and select Close Position. The same window will appear, just click Close Position to finalize. You can even close the position from the chart itself. Just click the cross sign and the window will pop up. Click Close Position, and that's it. Another interesting feature is that you can close all positions at once. Just click the cross on the left side and you'll receive a confirmation pop-up. Click Close All, and that's it. All your open trades will be closed in one go. For a quicker approach, you can enable one-click trading. Just navigate to the top of the platform and click on the toggle button. Click Activate and you can place trades with just a single click. Now, simply select the cryptocurrency you want to trade and click Buy or Sell. Your order will be placed instantly. Super fast and efficient. Now you can close trades without a pop-up. Just click the cross next to the trade and it's done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.